pumpkin isn't just for decoration, it's a true superfood. It's rich in beta-carotene, which turns into vitamin A to support healthy eyes, skin, and immunity. It's also packed with vitamin C and E, amazing antioxidants that help your body stay strong and your skin glowing. Plus, pumpkin is low in calories, but high in fiber, keeping your digestion happy and helping you feel full. And those pumpkin seeds, they're full of magnesium and zinc, great for energy and a strong immune system. So, before Halloween arrives, let's turn this nutrient-packed fall favorite into something sweet and spooky. My special pumpkin cake. Let's get baking!
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, click the subscription button, and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a yummy day!